Hi everyone there. So you all are welcome in my channel Mr.I.C. So today I'm here with a new project and it's about making a rechargeable flashlight. So here are materials which we will require for the making it. This is uh, earlier Nokia 1's charger or female jack. I am going to use my modified USB cable. Here it is. It is having a jack of male jack and which is easily inserted in this, and a lithium ion battery with a charge protection module, some LEDs. These are white LEDs, a switch. It's a three-way switch. You can use two-way also if you want to keep your keep your flashlight simple, and a case for it. Here it is a case. I have taken it out from somewhere. I don't remember that, but you can use this, and it's 3 inches long around. It's less than my finger size, so you can keep it in your pocket easily. So let's get started to the circuit diagram and rest of the video. Now guys, I've soldered the uh, some wire to the switch and added the female jack over here, and here it's a LED as an indicator when the charging will be started, and these are the battery terminals, and here I'm going to join the LEDs. Now guys, I have connected the LEDs in parallel, as you can see, and place this insulating sheet in between and added, and now I'm going to and made a hole over here so that my red LED will come over here, and I've left the battery terminals open, and now I'm going to paste this over here and this jack down over here. It will take several hours. Let me do that also. After soldering and pasting the jack and the switch, I have made a insulating plate, and I'm going to place it here, and these are my two wires for the battery. I'm going to bend it forward and then place this like this. This will prevent any sort of heat transfer to the battery, which is not good for lithium polymer battery. Now I'm going to solder the battery to these terminals and place the case back and complete the video. After soldering the battery, I have checked this switch, and as you can see, it's bright enough, and turning it off and checking for the charging, and the charging light is also on, and so here it's my charger. I have plugged the charger into the power bank and I'm going to plug it in, and now switching it on. Now you can see red light has occurred, and after several hours, or I should say 1 or 2 hours, the red light in the charger will become blue and my charging will be full. Now I'm going to place the cover over this and complete the video. Now guys, I have placed the rubber band and applied some glue to stick the sides, and it's ready. After it get dried, let's wait for them. After 1 day of drying it, I'm going to open the rubber band and it's completely dry, you can see, and it's working. You can see it's too bright. Let me turn off the flash. Now you can see it's too bright, and I have measured the amp consumed by it, and it consumed around 41 amps milliamps, and it contain a 1000 milliamp battery. On dividing the both, we can easily calculate the number of hours of working, and it came around to be 24 hours, and for charging it, I have to switch this toggle switch to the extreme position, and the red light will switch on. And now I'm going to plug the charger. Here it is. It's my power bank. And you can see a red light has appeared. After the full charge, blue light will appear. So it has become blue and fully charged. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked. Please subscribe to my channel, Mr.I.C. Thanks for watching.